Donnie Mandel here, visionary at On the Mend Home Renovations. Let me guess, you're a busy professional or business owner, your time is worth too much to babysit a remodel, but you also know your home isn't functioning the way it should. And if we're being honest, you and your spouse want it to look amazing. Design, layout, finishes, the whole wow factor. Here's the problem. Most remodels don't fail because people choose the wrong paint color, they fail because they follow a broken system. Most homeowners get pulled into what I call the broken remodel model. It usually starts like this. You call a contractor, they come out, they talk it through, they throw you a number that sounds like it was calculated on the hood of the truck, or maybe even their tailgate. No real plan, no real design, no real timeline, and most importantly, no real scope, and definitely no real accountability. And that's when the chaos begins. The budget mysteriously grows, the timeline unexpectedly stretches, you're making decisions under pressure after demo has started, and you're stuck mediating between your schedule, your budget, and your expectations. It's not just stressful, it's expensive stress. We see this all the time. Smart people with great careers who assume remodeling works like everything else in their life. You plan it, you price it, you execute it, but remodeling doesn't work that way. Unless the contractor has a real process, otherwise your home turns into the second job you never asked for, and the cost isn't just money, it's dinner conversations, it's decision fatigue, it's that lingering feeling of, did we just make a $150,000 mistake? That's why we built what we call the On the Mend Renovation Roadmap Design Console, our design first process. Here's the key difference. Instead of winging it and hoping it works out, we get the plan right first before construction ever begins. The Renovation Roadmap is a paid design and planning process that gives you a clearer scope you can actually agree on, a design you and your spouse will love and you'll be proud to pay for, a realistic timeline based on real production planning, not wishful thinking, and a defined budget range based on decisions made up front. So when it's time to build, there are fewer surprises, fewer change orders, and far less stress. Because now you're not guessing, you're executing a plan. The truth is, a lot of people can get your project done, but do you just want it done or done right without the unnecessary headaches, costly changes, and delays? High-end renovations require project management, design coordination, and a system that protects your time, your budget, and your marriage. The Renovation Roadmap Design Console was built specifically for homeowners who don't want to gamble. You want the outcome, you want it done right, and you want to feel in control the entire time. So here's what I want you to do next. We put together a free guide that shows you how to avoid the most common remodeling traps and how smart homeowners plan renovations that add function, beauty, and equity. It's called Home Rental Roadmap Guide, a busy homeowner's guide to whole house remodeling. Click the button near this video and download it now. And when you're ready, you'll also see how your renovation roadmap works and whether it makes sense for your home by contacting one of our experienced representatives. Don't start with demolition, start with a roadmap.